can you put that on the round one? There you go. Now turn it until it locks into place. You want to turn a little bit. Right there. Okay.
Got it.
You got it. Now, we gotta loosen that wheel lock. Ready? Here. You push on this part. On this end. Up here. It gives you leverage if you push from here. Ready? Push, push, push. Okay, good job. Good job. Okay, now ratchet and push. Okay. Now, since that's the wheel lock, we'll just go ahead and take that one all the way out. Okay? Now, don't put your finger in there. Here, we got a couple more. These ones we're just gonna loosen. You ready? You wanna stand here and push? On this side? Push. Ready? Push down. There you go. Okay, that's good. I'll do the next one. Push down. Push, push, push. Okay. Now the next one. Let's do this one. Push. Push hard, push hard, push hard. There you go. Okay. One more. Then we gotta loosen this one. Push, 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 push. Oh, okay. All done. Now, you set that tool down, and then you wanna help me jack it up the rest of the way?
No.
Okay, I'll do this part. Okay, we got the wheel up.
Are you gonna go help Daddy?
So, let's get the next wheel. Let's do this one. Should we do this one next? Okay. Yep, we'll just roll that along. Roll it along.
This will be with Daddy.
Yeah, you're helping, Daddy.
Good job helping.
Okay, we're gonna turn it. We're gonna lean this right here. Now, so this wheel is off the ground. This is why we loosened it, because the wheel will spin. So now there's just a little bit of tension.
What happened?
We're gonna take it off.
Take it off.
Yep. All right, now we need to unscrew the lugs. You gonna do that one? You take that one out.
Okay.
You gotta turn it. Turn it this way. Here. Here, it might be easier with this. Hold the end of this and use this like your screwdriver. You gotta turn that way. That way. That way. There you go.
That way.
Don't put your thumb in it, you silly guy. You did it. Okay, we got one more. Now that one, can you put that up here? Can you put that? We don't need this back in yet. We gotta change the wheel first. So, we got the last one, and look. Because those are bolts and not lug nuts, there's no studs. So you gotta be very careful and hold the wheel. So we'll roll this out of the way.
Put down.
And so we're using a jack and not jack stands
It happened.
because we're not gonna work on anything. We're not gonna get under the car. So we're gonna stay safe on the outside of the car.
We'll put that one on.
Yep, we'll put that one on. So we gotta pick it up, line up the holes. Now, don't put your finger in there. Here. Put a lug nut in.
Put down. And
Yep, we're gonna make the wheel hook on. That's the, that's not a lug. This is. You wanna do this one? Here, put this on there. And You want to turn it with that?
Almost got it.
You almost got it.
Almost got
Here, I'll take the wheel lock key. So I can put that one on. And then we got to do these ones. Let's try this one next. We'll tighten that. You about ready to torque it? Be careful, don't drop that one.
Pussy business.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna snug these. Just snug, snug,
Pussy business.
You're pressing buttons.
Oh wait. See?
Are you helping Daddy with the tire?
he's getting the torque wrench ready.
Okay.
Okay, the legs are snug. Now, you gonna help me lower the car? Stand over here. We don't need this one yet. Let's leave this here for a second. Come here. This handle. This handle is how we're gonna lower it.
No.
You help me turn it. Look. You turn it and the car goes down just real slow. There we go. Now, do you remember what this will do when it's